how to download the IRCTC Rail Connect application for Android devices. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and simple tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps of downloading the IRCTC Rail Connect application through Google Play Store. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Google Play Store, and inside the Play Store you need to click onto this search icon and simply search for Rail Connect. And once you have simply searched for Rail Connect, hit the search icon and you can see this application right here, that is the IRCTC Rail Connect from IRCTC official. So simply click onto this install button and it will start to download, and once the download finish, it will install into your Android device. And once the application has been installed, you can simply open it, and here you go, you have successfully downloaded the IRCTC Rail Connect application. You can grant it permissions like notifications and some other permissions as well. You need to click onto this OK button, and then you can log in using this button at the top right corner here. So that was all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.